Hey guys, what's up? In this video, Diksha will give you some tips because she has C1 German language proficiency. So she is the right person to give you advice on how to learn German when you are in India or after you come to Germany.
Hi everybody, I have around 6 to 7 tips that I want to share with you guys on how you can learn German or how you can develop your interest or how you can just level up your German language skills if you are studying German in India or if you are planning to come to Germany. The first and the foremost important thing is find your why. Why are you learning German? What is your motivation? Are you just learning that as a hobby, or are you planning to pursue your career in German language? Are you planning to apply for the master courses in Germany? For that you need some proficiency, so depending on that you can develop your interest and start learning or searching for the levels of the German you are interested to learn into. The second most important thing, first you found out why, then now you have started learning German. Then while you're starting your first or second level of German language, try to create a mini Germany at your home, I would say. For example, you can have the charts where you write on your months or German months, or you can write some numbers or some days or something like that, which you can just pass by and just read it throughout your day, and then you can just have that in mind, because in the first beginner level it's very important to learn these basic things, and when you have that in front of your eyes, and when you're passing by in your home, then you can just try to collect that in your mind. So that is very important to have some charts around. Now let's talk about the third tip that I want to share. That is when you learn any word or number, or I would say any sentence or something like that, or a phrase, then try to build up your own sentence with that word, and so that you can have that have the meaning in the mind, and you know when and how to use it. So it's very important whenever you learn any simple or just complicated word, try to use that in sentence, build your own examples, and you'll just have that in mind whenever you're speaking next time, that oh, I can use that word here because I know the meaning and I know how to use it. So that is very important. Fourth is try to learn at least 5 new words every day, no matter how simple they are, how different or how complicated they are, but try to learn at least 5 words. And then, as I said in the third tip, then try to use that words in the sentences. This is very important because language is all about vocabulary. Like you can learn German grammar and everything, but if you don't have vocabulary, it will be very difficult for you to speak whatever you have in mind, or to just level up your German skills, because vocabulary is the base of any language proficiency. So that's very important to build up your vocabulary just day by day. Fifth tip is about learning German through entertainment. It's very basic but most helpful thing, I would say, and which we have it on our phones, tablets or laptops. You can just go and listen to German radio, or you can German songs. Even if you are at the beginner level, you can just listen that every day, so that you have that accent and the words and the pronunciations in your ears, and you know that when you hear that word, oh, this is what it means. So it is very important from the beginner level to listen to the radio, or even if you're watching your series or films, watch that with German subtitles, so that you know the local slangs or your spoken language. Because whenever you learn a language in an institute, you learn the written language, or we call it as Hochdeutsch, standard German. But it is very important when you come to Germany, the local language or spoken language is very different from what you learn your theoretical German language. So try watching the films and series with German subtitles. It helps you a lot in developing your some slangs or your basic words that you use in daily life. Then we go to sixth tip. As we use internet every day for different purposes, we can make that as a helpful tool to learn language as well. So you have a lot of online groups that I would say on YouTube, or different language app where there are people of different nationalities. They are also learning German irrespective of any regions. So you can also choose your level, and you can practice with the real people of your same level of language. This is very helpful because like you and your partner or your tandem, we say that, you both share the same level, so there's no shyness that oh, his or her German is very good and I cannot talk with them and I'm very shy, I'm not that confident enough. But if you're at the same level, you don't have that shyness, and then you can just start speaking, though it's with a broken German, but at least you start to build up the confidence when you start practicing it every day. Or if you come to Germany and then you have a lot of exposure, you can just go out and you can start talking in grocery stores or banks or any public places. The people will just speak German, so you can just start practicing your German in that way. Or in many universities, or I would say in all universities in Germany, the language courses are free. At least I would say German language is free everywhere in all the universities, because they promote you to learn German. So you can just, as they are free and as they are just available in the university within your university timing, just I think twice a week. So you can just join those classes as well. There you have real German teachers and the students as well with your proficiency level. So it is very helpful, because even if you learn German language in India, it would be by Indian teachers, though they are very nice teachers, I don't doubt that. But learning German from Indian teacher and learning German from German teacher is a very different experience, especially when it comes with strong accents in Germany, as they have every state has different accents. So the teacher from the different states, especially when I was learning German in Germany, I had a teacher from Bayern, Bavaria. So their German was completely different. So even if I've done C1 in India, that was completely different experience when I was doing C1 again in technical German in my university. So I would say that would help to brush up your German knowledge and just level up whatever proficiency you are in. Then coming to the seventh and the last tip is practice your speaking by listening to authentic German stuff. So as I said, you can of course watch a series of films with German subtitles, but listening directly to some German news or German channels, I would say German music, that would help you to remember the pronunciations and then remember some words which are spoken with a German accent, because we as Indians or any other nationality, we have our strong accent from our mother tongue, and it's very important to get rid of your own accent from the mother tongue when you're learning German, because I've seen in Germany the Indians especially, we come from a diverse backgrounds, cultural backgrounds, and then our languages are different, and we have very strong accent from Hindi or Marathi or whichever Indian language you speak back in your country. But when you start speaking German, it should actually, at least you should try to make it sound like a German or a real German, I would say. For that you need to hear some really German authentic stuff like news or songs or movies. So you can just watch English movies with German subtitles or German movies with English subtitles as well, where you learn the words and you learn the pronunciations as well. So these were some helpful tips and some experiences that I faced while learning German. So I hope it helps you as well.
Thank you so much, Diksha, again for sharing some tips, and I hope it helps all of you to learn German quickly and easily. I would not say quickly, but yeah, I mean it will help you somehow to improve your German skills, because it has helped her, so of course it will help all of you also. That's it for this video, guys. If you liked it, then do give it a thumbs up, and also leave comments in the comment section below. If you liked it a lot, then also consider subscribing, because it's free. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and stay safe.
Bye.
Bye.